Hi, I'm Karan Rana. Currently, I'm working as a key account manager with HT Media, where over the past 1.5 years, I've had the opportunity to lead some exciting marketing campaigns for key PepsiCo clients, Tropicana, Slice, and Mountain Dew. Although my campaign for Mountain Dew went on to bag the Cannes Lions Award, and my CSR initiative for a startup went on to be one of the most viral YouTube videos and also got covered by Adweek and Huffington, I would still say that the most difficult and challenging project that I spearheaded was the one for Katrina Kaif for Slice. But before that, a little more on my background. I did my schooling from New Delhi. On the academic front, I cracked IIT JEE and also secured 100% in class 10 boards mathematics. And on the co-curricular front, I was awarded a gold medal in dance by choreographer Shyam Agdavar, and for 6 consecutive years, I bagged the first prize in street play competitions. Thereon, I embarked on my BTech journey with Delhi College of Engineering, where becoming the Mr. Fresher was a moment I still cherish. From scuba diving in Greece to skydiving in Dubai, my love for exploring diverse cultures continued. As the founder chairman of a technical society in my college, I organized various national and international conferences, guest lectures, and industry visits. On the one hand, I led a team of 15 student members and organized a focus group discussion for Google at Google Office, while on the other hand, for Microsoft, I organized a conclave back there in my college campus for the launch of Windows 8. My love for marketing began when, parallel to my BTech, I did a certificate program in marketing and a professional diploma in digital marketing. Now, back to my Slice project. Now here the challenge was twofold. On the one hand, obviously I had to deliver strong results for the key beverage client, that too under tight deadlines. But on the other hand, due to recent company-wide layoffs, my team had shrunk and the team morale was suffering. As the manager leading the project, my approach was to first schedule an entire full team meeting to motivate them. I appreciated everyone for their hard work during this challenging time, and then asked everyone on ways to improve their efficiency, including mine. Charted out everyone's campaign's ideas on a whiteboard for an hour, and then voted for the one with the most potential. Finally, I delegated tasks to different people with different strengths so that quality deliverables could be met with tight deadlines. The teammate who had an eye for detail got researching about the brand ambassador. The one with good networking skills got on talking with Twitter influencers. While I, who firmly believe that my strengths are communication and presentation skills, I got pitching with the client and also cracking deals with India's top entertainment bloggers and native advertisers. The results were very encouraging. The campaign hashtag Katrina Missing trended in India for 2 straight days. We earned 20 media stories in print, TV, radio and digital, and also gained 10,000 entries within 6 hours on our Facebook campaign. But more importantly, my team morale was uplifted, and I learned that in order to drive a project to success, charting out the vision from the very start is what is essential. That's just a brief snapshot of me. For more, visit karanrana.com or visit my video blog. Thanks.